3, 2, 1.
I carve, chisel, and shape. Yet, I'm not a sculptor. What am I? The answer is C. Workbench. Which cast member sings lead vocals on the theme song in Season 5 of HBO's The Wire? The answer is C. Steve Earle. What type of mass movement is a sudden movement of large blocks of rock and soil down a slope? The answer is D. Slump. What is the unit of TV resolution named after? The answer is D. Matsushita. Which author wrote Mumu? The answer is D. Ivan Turgenev. Who set the record for longest fingernails on a woman? The answer is B. Ayanna Williams. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? The answer is B. Mercury. These presidents coupled up to discuss their former secretarial jobs. Which pair doesn't fit with the others? The answer is B. John Adams, John Tyler. Which band did Joe Strummer co-found in 1976? The answer is D. The Clash. Who won the 2008 Royal Rumble? The answer is D. John Cena. Which game features the characters Link and Zelda? The answer is C. Final Fantasy. Which mathematical term means perfectly square? The answer is D. Quadrate. Where in the world is spinach originally from? The answer is C. The Middle East. Which game introduced Portal and Half-Life? The answer is C. Valve Corporation. What is the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth? The answer is D. 203 degrees F. What is the scientific study of time called? The answer is A. Chronology. Who is Judge Harry Stone's musical idol on the television show Night Court? The answer is A. Mel Torme. At what event was the opera Ada premiered? The answer is A. The opening of the Suez Canal. What do carnivores eat? The answer is A. Animals. In Stranger Things, what is the name of the town where the story takes place? The answer is A. Hawkins. Who created the Mona Lisa? The answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. Which animal develops inside its mother before it is born alive? The answer is B. Cat. What is chemophobia? The answer is B. Fear of chemicals. In the Harry Potter series, what are the Dark Lord's henchmen known as? The answer is D. Death Eaters. What spreads sty during sexual contact? The answer is C. Pathogens. What is approximately the average stroke volume in humans? The answer is B. 70 ml. How long did it take the motorized window washers of the original World Trade Center to clean the entire exterior of the building? The answer is B. 1 month. What type of temperatures increase the likelihood of fires? The answer is B. Higher. Which great mind's last words were, "I have offended God and mankind because my work did not reach the quality it should"? The answer is B. Leonardo da Vinci. Which one of the 5 elements are the legendary Chinese dragons believed to control? The answer is B. Water. Which clothing piece is used to cover the upper part of the body, usually made from a single piece of fabric? The answer is D. Tunic. What king of Babylon took over Jerusalem in the first chapter of the book of Daniel? The answer is D. Nebuchadnezzar. Which car manufacturer produces the Tesla Model S? The answer is C. Tesla Inc. What is the most common type of capacitor in electronics? The answer is B. Fix. Which capital is located on the Bosphorus Strait? The answer is B. Istanbul. Which gas is released when iron rusts? The answer is C. Hydrogen. What is the name of the psychic that Henry consults in the movie over her dead body? The answer is D. Ashley. Which is the only character on the show Seinfeld played by an Israeli-born actor? The answer is C. Babu Bhatt. I'm written in blood and ink, yet it's never my own. What an I? The answer is D. Book. Who, according to Kitty, looks cute in his mohair suit and keeps his pockets full of spending loot? The answer is A. The boy from New York City. It seems the Czech Republic had its own take on this movie since they called it Santa is a Pervert. What's the real name? The answer is B. Bad Santa. What type of notebook has wide ruled lines? The answer is D. Wide ruled. Which celestial body rotates on its axis once every Venusian day? The answer is B. Venus. Glands release what substance into the blood? The answer is B. Hormones. The largest lake by area is which? The answer is D. Victoria. In what country was silk first produced? The answer is D. China. Which battleship was used by the U.S. Navy during World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War? The answer is C. USS New Jersey BB-62. How many groups of leaves does poison ivy typically have? The answer is A. 3. I have many countries, but no territory. What am I? The answer is C. Map. Which president served during World War II?